Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basics while focusing on diagnostics. Plug the laptop in, ensure fans run, and reduce thermal strain so tests aren't skewed. Once done, open Device Manager and look for the GPU entry or error codes. This shows whether Windows detects hardware. Next, boot into safe mode and run Display Driver Uninstaller to remove corrupted drivers cleanly. You do this because leftover driver fragments often block fresh installs and detection, so cleanup makes subsequent steps reliable. You now reinstall proper software layers. First, install the OEM chipset drivers so the platform exposes the GPU correctly, then add the manufacturer GPU driver, NVIDIA or AMD, using the custom Clean Install option. Once drivers are stable, check and update BIOS and EC firmware from the vendor to resolve hardware OS handshakes. Firmware fixes power and detection issues. Make sure to change GPU mode in BIOS if offered, hybrid versus discrete, because incorrect mode can prevent the GPU from initializing. You finish with physical verification and verification tests. Power down, remove the battery if possible, reseat RAM and SSD to rule out seating issues that mimic GPU faults. Inspect cooling and consider reapplying thermal paste if temperatures are abnormal. Thermal problems often cause GPU shutdowns. Once reassembled, test on an external monitor and run stress tests to confirm stability. If problems persist, backup data, document error behavior, and contact authorized service for board-level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.